Hey guys, check out SSF TV and subscribe for free. With your help, they have created a new platform designed by physicians for physicians. They have the most up-to-date content from the world's best physicians and top institutions. The platform is so well organized. And everyone is using it, giving you real-time access to physicians around the world. Plus, with the app, I can download and watch on the go. I absolutely love it.
Great. Well, I appreciate TK's introduction, and it's a real honor for me to come here. In fact, I've known Dr. Johnson for a long time, and it's truly incredible what Dr. Goldstein's done at Cedars. He's been there for 50 years, and I don't think he gets enough credit for what he's accomplished in just in education and training. I think, if you look throughout the country, what they're doing at Cedars, especially in their fellowship program, is very impressive. So I'm going to talk about lateral surgery today, and I'm going to go over some of the anatomy and then some of the cases. And I really got interested in doing lateral right about when I finished residency, and this was like in 2006, 2007. These are my disclosures. And if you look at, a lot of the spine surgery that's done today, we're doing robotic, we're using navigation, and the reason we're doing it is because the cases we're seeing are very challenging. So here's an example of a patient with a pretty significant thoracolumbar scoliosis. And I got interested in lateral because, it just opened up a whole new avenue. And again, just to be able to correct a curve like this with less blood loss, having it do it minimally invasively, and have the patients not only get out of the hospital earlier, but have less complications was really attractive. But at the time, when I was a resident.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. To continue, please log in or create an account for free. Thank you for your support.